Today, we will show you how to open the Dell Latitude 5511 and what's inside of it. This notebook has a total of 8 Phillips head screws that hold the bottom panel. After you undo them, you just need to pop the plastic clips with a plastic pry tool, and you should be able to effortlessly lift the panel away. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Thankfully, we see 2 significantly thicker heat pipes, when compared to the Latitude 5510. Also, the fan seems to be a bit larger as well. Moreover, this machine can employ up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory in dual channel, and it's all user replaceable. And in terms of storage, there is a single M.2 PCIe X4 slot, as well as a 2.5-inch SATA drive bay. Not on the last place, depending on the configuration, you'll get one of 3 different batteries. A 51 Wh one, a 68 Wh one, or a monstrous 97 Wh unit. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.